Here are a few LP quick tips to help get your shed project started in the right direction. When building your shed, make sure to keep LP SmartSide panel siding at least 6 inches from the ground. To achieve this, use blocks on a gravel base or other materials designed for ground contact under the skids. You'll get the proper ground clearance and be able to level your shed. Avoid making long vertical cuts by ensuring all LP SmartSide panel joints meet on a stud. If they don't, you can always add an extra stud where the panels meet. If you have to cut a panel, make the cut at the end of the wall where it'll be covered by trim. Always install your windows and flashing to the studs before you hang your LP SmartSide panel siding. Carefully cut the window opening in the panel with a 1/8 inch gap along the sides and the bottom of the window and a 3/8 inch gap along the top. This will allow you to slope the flashing to channel water over the window head. It's easy to install LP SmartSide panels perfectly straight by nailing a level 2x4 ledger board around the floor joist. Position and secure the panels per your nailing instructions, then remove the ledger board. For complete instructions, visit lpshed.com.